Hi, my name is Nico and I want to explain to you what you're going to see in the next video. We're going to show you how to measure the parallelism of guidelines with our Proline system. So the first question we have to answer is, why do we measure it with our laser system and not with traditional measurement equipment? If you have two guidelines which are apart from each other, like 1 meter, 2 meter, it gets very hard to do it with the traditional measurement equipment. So how we are doing it is with our T430 laser. Take our T430 laser and put it in front of our first guideline. Use our distance meter to get the rough position of the R540. And we align our standing laser beam to our first guideline. We use a leveled laser beam, so our object has to be roughly leveled. So after aligning the laser, we are measuring the first guideline. In the result, we get the straightness in the height and the side. In the next step, we are setting our reference line on the floor with our rotating receivers, rotational laser beam receivers, so the R290s. We set them on the floor, for example, and we measure the rotating laser plane. So we set both receivers to 0 and we have our reference line like this. So now we can move our laser in front of our second guideline and take our laser receiver and put it onto the support of our second guideline. Now we have to level the laser beam again, and we have to adjust our laser plane fully automatic to the same values, and we have our reference back again. So we have our standing laser beam in the same position like in front of the first guideline. And now we can measure the second guideline, and we get the straightness in height and side again. And we have the same laser, so we can compare both guidelines, so both results, and see how the parallelism of both is. So enjoy the video, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Bye bye.